Hey guys, Mark here, and today I'm going to show you how to change your oil on your 2014 Nissan Versa. You want to take off that bolt, which is a 14 millimeter, and you're going to see me skip through it because I couldn't do it with one hand. That's all. Break the bolt. Okay, now we got the oil draining. Just checking the gasket here and see if there's any metallic bits on the drain plug itself. And while the oil is draining, it's a good idea to find out where the oil filter is. And then also what I would do is I'll check the suspension. I'll check the brakes. I'll check the control arms, tie rods, everything of that nature. It's a good idea while you got the car jacked up. I'll even check the tires all around, find out how much tread I have. And then last, what I would do is I'll put air in the tires. Well, check your tire placard and find out what PSI your tire should be at. If you're under that PSI, then you should add air. You have to be checking the tie rods, make sure they're good. When it comes to the suspension, you're usually the first to go. Yeah, I'm checking the rear shocks, coils. Looks pretty good. You can't see, but I'm also actually checking the tires too. And now we're going to remove our oil filter. As you can see, that's draining. Once that's done draining, just put a little bit of oil on the O-ring. And once you do that, just tighten it by hand first. It's getting a little bit tight. The next really good. And now we're going to put the drain plug bolt back on. Let's get that nice and snug. Just cleaning up any oil, so if there is any leaks, it'll be easy to identify them. And now this is me checking the tire pressure. Now it's time to add engine oil to the engine. It takes 5W30 conventional. But don't be like me. You see I spilled some. If you do, that's fine. You could just probably use brake cleaner, or you could just wipe up the oil. The brake cleaner will probably easier lift up the oil. Okay, now we're gonna clean up my mess. Spilled a little bit of oil. Be careful if you don't clean that, you will see your engine smoking. And not because it's overheating, it's just the oil that's burning off of the motor. Now we're just gonna put the oil cap on. Just make sure that's tight. Looks to be good. And now that our car has sat for a little bit, I haven't started up yet. First thing I'm going to do is just check the oil, make sure the oil level is good. And now we're going to start the car. I was checking to see if there was an oil life reset. I really don't think there is one. But from that note, you guys will be all done. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day, guys.
I don't think this has a oil life reset. So we have 4916.